So my name is Kurt Russell. We're here with the TrackingPoint rifle, and today we're shooting the squad level M800. It's the same rifle that Ty Kyle just won the American Sniper Shootout with. It basically works by tagging now off of the trigger instead of the traditional tag button that we've had in the past. We also have a zoom that you can zoom in and zoom out without ever having to lift your hand. So when you're out on the range and you're shooting the gun, you can zoom in and zoom out by just that one toggle button. When I get ready to shoot a target, I zoom out, find my target, drill in. No need for me to do anything except squeeze and hold the trigger. My target is touched, tagged, exact.